Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and believe it or not, this poof is my solution to all my old pillows and blankets and what to do with them.
If you're anything like me, you probably have a ton of throw blankets and pillows that just really aren't your style anymore, but aren't something you want to necessarily get rid of. Well, check this out. This Louis Dawn Poof cover is so perfect. It comes to you empty, and you can literally fill it with anything you want. Whether you have foam particles, old towels, old stuffed animals, blankets, whatever it is, you shove them in here and it makes the most incredible, comfy footrest. This is made so high quality. The stitching is incredible. And you look like you have this extremely luxurious high end poof. And guess what? You do. You just happen to stuff it yourself. I am floored by how awesome this poof cover is, and it is just my new favorite piece.
If you are looking for a great place to rest your feet and to maybe retire some of those old decor pieces that don't serve you anymore, this poof is the perfect solution, and that's my point of view.